Richard Southern joins us now with the day's business headlines, and economists are expecting an interest rate hike from the Bank of Canada next week. And how much could we be looking at here, Richard?
Yeah, the interest rate hike, the translation is it's going to cost more for a lot of mortgage owners, I'm afraid. Melissa, hello to you. If you got a variable rate mortgage, you're probably going to be paying more come Wednesday. That's when the Bank of Canada is expected to hike interest rates for the third time this year. It's doing this to try and combat inflation. At this point, everyone would be pretty shocked if the bank didn't hike rates another 0.5% to 1.5% on Wednesday. That's the expectation. It's going to mean the average homeowner with the average mortgage will be on the hook for about another $170 to $200 a month. Already, the bank's 2 rate hikes this year have started to cool the housing market. Prices are down 12% in April. You know, not only does it make mortgages more expensive, Melissa, but it's more costly to borrow money. So those looking to get into the market with a borrowed down payment will be paying more. A little bit of good news, if there is any, is that this doesn't really affect credit card rates so much, so long as you make the minimum payment, but you could be paying more if you have a car loan that's tied to the prime rate. So yay, things costing more on Wednesday. How good is that?
Oh gosh, everything getting so expensive nowadays.
Yeah.
Now, Emmy Award-winning actress Laverne Cox now has her own Barbie doll, making her the first transgender model to have a doll in their likeness.
Yeah, absolutely. Big news here coming from Mattel, the Barbie maker, rolling out, as you say, the first trans doll that it's ever created, and modeled here, as you say, after Cox, an actress, a producer, and the first transgender woman of color to have a leading role in a scripted TV show. Mattel says the doll is part of its commitment to continue to increase diversity, and said it celebrates the impact Cox has had as an advocate for LGBTQ rights. This tribute collection that Barbie's rolling out, which this doll is a part of, will also feature a Lucille Ball Barbie to honor her as a trailblazing woman in entertainment. And they're also going to come out as well with a Queen Elizabeth II doll ahead of her Platinum Jubilee. So some big news there from Barbie.
Awesome. Now, meantime, Apple is raising the minimum wage for their workers in the U.S. amid soaring inflation rates. Yeah,
I mean, that's the thing, right? We're talking about inflation going up, everything's costing more, but salaries haven't really gone up so much, right? Apple, though, taking, I guess, a proactive approach with this. They are hiking the salaries of their retail workers in the United States. The starting salary going from $20 to $22. There could be other motives at play, though, than just Apple wanting to help its employees pay the bills. This salary hike comes as Apple faces union drives across the United States, with some employees asking or demanding higher wages. Employees at an Apple store in Atlanta, Georgia, are set to vote on whether or not to organize in June next month. Melissa, I want to mention quick before we go, the price of gas going up a penny tonight, but look out, Enpro International predicting a 5-cent increase on top of that on Sunday. It might be a Good Friday to fill up the tank.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for joining us, Richard. That's business editor Richard Southern.
Thank you.